Are you
What?
actually filming now? No.
Yes, of course I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Hi.
Hi.
Here we go. Come on. Come on.
Oh, oh no. Brain freeze, brain freeze.
How is it? Well, I guess it's cold.
Yes. Do it.
Only if you post this to YouTube.
Yes.
Okay, we'll do it. Okay.
Eat it. Whole thing.
I'm going to regret my life.
Put it in. Stick it. Chew, 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 chew.
Choo.
That's not too bad. Go on. Can I close the door or no?
Baloo is well behaved today.
Yes.
The girls, not so much.
Yeah, especially Funty.
Henry, what are we doing?
Walkies.
We are doing walkies. And why do I have a camera with me?
Because
You explain that one.
because you bought one. Just kidding. So we're going to Disney, and my grandma wants to see what we do.
Yes.
So we bought a camera.
Exactly, because we didn't. Well, I had a look, my iPhone,
Yeah.
but that doesn't really work, does it, on a gimbal or whatever? Anyway, we are trying this out with a couple of home vlogs
Yeah.
and maybe walkie vlogs, and yeah. So today we are, where are we going?
To the Tottenham Marshes.
To the Tottenham Marshes, which is a really nice nature reserve close by where we live, and we take the dogs there quite often to go for a walk,
Yeah, and they love it.
and they love it. That's
Because
true.
they're pulling so much.
Now, you know what I would like?
What?
I'd like to go to a cafe, but the cafe is closed.
Oh yeah. Well, the Beehive.
Oh, you want to go to the pub?
See up there for thinking.
I can tell. That's why I like you.
We could go to the Blue Coats.
Or we can go.
Yeah, but the
I need
Beehive
to
is
learn.
nicer. They have the,
I need to learn how to hold this.
I think the Blue Coats is nicer.
The blue coats?
Yeah.
I like the
They
Beehive.
don't have the backyard. The
Also-
backyard is nicer.
Yeah, that's true.
Baloo, what are you doing? Come on.
They
So-
have better food.
That's true, but let's go for drinkies. Ooh, cyclist up ahead. Cyclist up ahead.
Oh, hold on.
Cyclist up ahead. Hi, cyclist. There we go. Whee.
Hi.
Where are we?
We are in the Beehive Pub.
The Beehive Pub. So we're waiting for
Nachos and drinkies.
nachos and drinkies. Ooh, we've got some doggos there too.
One dog was
We've got a doggo there.
and then other doggos.
He seems very friendly. And then we've got ours.
Very dirty.
So yes, we are in one of our local pubs. Let's have a look at the menu. It's not a cocktail bar, but they have margaritas. Om nom nom. And they do a Monday to Friday till 7 p.m. Two of the same cocktails for £12. And then here is their menu, week menu. Very nice.
How is it? Oh, I guess it's cold.
Yes.
Why
But
is
it's
there
nice.
bright orange?
Due to what? There you go.
No, because they're on higher floors and there's water engines.
Oh yeah, you're reading that book, aren't you? Or you were reading it, you finished it, okay. Do you have a book already in mind to take with you for school?
I'm waiting for. Wait,
Hey, I
Aren't there
bought, you,
several
I,
books?
I bought you all those books to read, the GCSE books.
wait. I think that the new Nevermore book that's coming out in October,
Soon.
on October 12th.
Yeah, that's coming out soon.
Hooray! I love Nevermore, it's so good.
You want some?
Should give it a little try.
Would you give it a bite?
Glass of Bailey's?
No.
That would be illegal to serve in Norway.
Only
You don't bite the shell part. Just
It's not shell.
oh no, really? Oh, but there's no spice on that one.
Henry,
I'm thinking of a reward.
No rewards.
the
Only
reward is you liking Scampi.
Yeah, you feeling better about yourself. If you should feel like crap right now.
I should see
We're
that,
not
babe.
making-
Seriously. No.
Record it then.
Yes.
Well,
Okay.
Mom, I'm scared.
I don't think I can do it.
Try it. Try it.
Do
Come on.
it, do it, do
Only
it.
if you post this to YouTube.
Yes.
Okay, we'll do it.
Okay.
Eat it. Whole thing.
I'm going to regret my life.
Put it in. Stick it. Chew, 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 chew.
Choo-choo-choo.
That's not too bad.
Olives.
Are you
What?
actually filming now? No.
Yes, of course I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Hi.
It's recording. It's.
The light's not on. Hold on. Let me see.
I think Papa Moose has had a drink.
No, but look.
Nice.
Hi. Socially awkward teenager.
I'm
Alert.
not socially awkward. Shut up.
Hold on, I'm so cool. Oh, I'm on camera. Hi.
Shut up. I'm not voice cracking that often.
You want fries with that?
I don't work at McDonald's. Yeah.
Yes.